So, do you guys know actresses?
I mean,
Not non-Indian.
Only
only
Indian
Indian.
actresses?
okay, I'm gonna have to up you then. I mean, not that I'm an expert, but I know more than zero. So
You don't know actresses then?
No, I know only Indian.
Sharks. We can do with Vincent. Let's see. We had a list for you.
Can I go?
come on, you're always leaving me behind.
I'm gonna give you the name and you're gonna just pick.
To what criteria?
You choose. It can be their talent, it can be their looks, it can be their voice, whatever. It can be their chess ability. Sydney Sweeney. Okay, you know. Do you know Zendaya?
I mean, the name, yes, but I never watched a movie.
Oh my God, they're gonna.
No, keep asking.
Do you know Jennifer Lawrence?
Yes,
Name, yes.
I watched Hunger Games.
Tiana Taylor. Okay, Emma Watson.
I have a difficulty because I mean, Emma Watson I only saw in Harry Potter, I
Okay.
believe. That's
Yeah.
the only, but I really liked Harry Potter as a kid. I mean, I read all of the novels, I watched all movies several times, so
Wow.
I really enjoyed Harry Potter.
Margot Robbie.
I mean, I know the name, I know she's an actress, but I don't know the movie that I watched.
Hailey Bieber.
No.
I think you chose the wrong people for this.
Yeah.
Kylie Jenner.
I know they exist, but which one is which, I probably couldn't.
Can you try to name all their sisters?
Wait, you said Kylie.
Kylie Jenner, yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, there's Chloe.
Chloe, correct.
Come on, help me.
I don't know.
What are they famous for? Who's the most famous there?
Kardashian? Kim?
Yes. Kim, okay. Who else? There are 5.
2 more?
Yeah.
So it's their parents or only sisters?
The sisters. There is a parent also. Parent is the 6th. It sounds like a K. What is a C that sounds like a K?
What?
Okay, so there's a Chloe,
Yes, Chloe I said.
Kim, there is Kylie, there is also Courtney and Kendall. And there is their mom, who's Chris.
Okay.
Selena Gomez.
About her?
We had live here.
You said Selena Gomez, right?
Selena Gomez, yeah, you know Selena Gomez?
She's a singer, right?
She's a singer, yeah, you know her. Millie Bobby Brown.
I mean, I know the name, I know the face,
Okay,
but
you know.
that's...
Drink,
I didn't watch Stranger Things, not even one episode, I'm sorry.
Elizabeth Olsen.
No, this I will get. Which character she played? Let's try this. Olsen was the Wanda witch? Something like that?
Florence Pugh.
She was a sister of someone famous.
She's sister of Black Widow? Okay.
Yes.
We got something.
Miley Cyrus.
Okay, she's a singer, no?
Anya Taylor-Joy.
Wait,
She's the one who played in Queen's Gambit, right?
Bingo! You got it.
But I didn't watch Queen's Gambit.
I also didn't, but she
You did not?
wasn't playing in Killing Eve, or is that someone else?
No, but she was in Dune.
Okay.
Ariana Grande.
I mean, she's a singer we know, but... I mean...
Charlie XCX. Addison Rae. Billie Eilish.
Yeah, we know she's a singer, but...
So,
You don't know? I mean, I thought I know
Only English, only Indian movies.
But that's singing.
I
It's
don't
like-
even listen to
You don't listen to music?
only Indian.
Okay, give us your Indian favorite actress, and Indian favorite singer.
Okay, my favorite actor is Junior NTR, and I also like Ranbir Kapoor. Favorite actress is I like Alia Bhatt and Sri Leela. Singer, I like Arjit Kapoor. I like Sid Sriram. Yeah, these are my 2 favorites. But okay, I also like Ilya Raja.
Out of all these beautiful women, what would be your pick? One, Vincent.
come on.
I'm gonna stay with Jennifer Lawrence.
You agree with that, Arjun?
I don't know.
He would agree with anything, yeah.
Take me out.
Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.